Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way machines operate. Imagine a future where machines can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. This is the incredible potential of AI. By mimicking the human brain, AI empowers machines to analyze information, recognize patterns, and make intelligent choices. At its core, AI is about creating intelligent agents. These agents can be robots, cars, or even software programs. What sets them apart is their ability to perceive their environment, process information, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Just like humans learn from experience, AI systems learn from the data they are trained on. The more data an AI system receives, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions and decisions. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful and adaptable. From self-driving cars that navigate busy streets to drones that deliver packages with precision, AI is transforming the world as we know it. One of the most fascinating aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Just like humans, AI systems acquire new skills through experience. This process, known as machine learning, is at the heart of many AI applications. Algorithms are trained on massive data sets to identify patterns and make predictions. There are different types of machine learning, each with its own strengths. Supervised learning involves training AI models on labeled data. For instance, an AI can learn to distinguish between cats and dogs. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. The AI must discover patterns and relationships on its own. Reinforcement learning involves AI learning through trial and error. AI agents learn to make decisions by interacting with their environment. This is how AI masters complex games like chess and Go. Self-driving cars are a prime example of AI in action. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads without human intervention. The AI system processes data from its surroundings, including lane markings, traffic signals, and other vehicles to make real-time decisions. By continuously analyzing its environment and predicting potential hazards, the AI system ensures a safe and efficient driving experience. Drones are another area where AI is making significant strides. Equipped with AI-powered navigation systems, drones can fly autonomously, following pre-programmed routes or responding to real-time instructions. This technology has numerous applications, from aerial photography and surveillance to package delivery and search and rescue operations. AI algorithms enable drones to avoid obstacles, adapt to changing weather conditions, and even land precisely on moving targets. Beyond self-driving cars and drones, AI is transforming various industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. In finance, AI algorithms are detecting fraudulent transactions, managing investments, and providing personalized financial advice. Section 4. The power of perception: how AI senses the world. For AI systems to interact with the world, they need to perceive and understand their surroundings. This is where sensors and computer vision come into play. Sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar, collect data about the environment, while computer vision algorithms process this data to extract meaningful information. Cameras capture images of the surroundings, which AI algorithms analyze to identify objects, recognize faces, and track movement. LiDAR uses laser beams to create a three-dimensional map of the environment, providing detailed information about the distance and shape of objects. Radar, on the other hand, uses radio waves to detect objects and determine their speed and direction. By combining data from these sensors, AI systems can create a comprehensive understanding of their environment. This allows them to navigate complex terrains, avoid obstacles, and make informed decisions. For instance, a self-driving car can use its sensors and AI algorithms to detect pedestrians crossing the street, predict their trajectory, and safely stop the vehicle. Section 5. Shaping Tomorrow: the promise and challenges of AI. AI is still in its early stages of development, yet it has already made remarkable progress. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more transformative applications in the years to come. From personalized medicine and smart cities to robots that can perform complex tasks, AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. However, the development and deployment of AI systems also raise important ethical and societal considerations. One concern is the potential for job displacement, as AI-powered machines become capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. Another concern is the issue of bias in AI algorithms, which can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. It is crucial that we develop and deploy AI systems responsibly, ensuring that they are aligned with human values and benefit society as a whole. This requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration among policymakers, researchers, and the public. By addressing the challenges and harnessing the power of AI, we can create a future where technology empowers humanity and creates a better world for all.